Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
The cons of buying a rebuilt title car. The inspector is looking at the car to confirm that it is complete, for the most part, and that none of the parts on it, which can be traced, are stolen. There may be hidden damage.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Difficulty insuring or financing. Most car insurance companies offer only limited coverage for salvage title cars, or refuse to cover them at all, since it's so hard to assign them accurate values. Banks also look at salvage cars as a risk and rarely provide financing for them.
Let's help you make your mark.
Many major banks won't provide financing for a salvage or rebuilt title. When you take out a car loan, the lender is agreeing to share a stake in the vehicle with you until you've paid off the loan completely. Many lenders may not be willing to take the risk with a salvage or rebuilt title car.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Even in the best circumstances, a vehicle with a rebuilt title is worth less than a normal one, and that's what you should insist on paying. We can't give you a target discount because there are too many variables, but suffice it to say a salvage titled vehicle can be priced considerably below market value.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Companies that write car insurance policies for a vehicle with a rebuilt title tend to offer liability only, says Gussner. State Farm will, however, insure a salvaged car that has been totaled out by another insurer.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Since a car with a rebuilt title has been in an accident severe enough to earn it a salvage title, you might think you should avoid it altogether. And you may be right. After all, such damage can be destructive to a car's structural integrity, even if repairs were comprehensive enough to earn it a rebuilt title.
Let's help you make your mark.
Which insurance companies cover rebuilt titles? Companies that insure cars with rebuilt titles include Insurance Navy, Root and General Insurance. The Hartford, 21st Century, Infinity, Omni, Progressive and Safeco may also cover these vehicles, according to carinsurance.com.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.